Buckle up for the grand tour, an interstellar getaway across our solar system and beyond. From hot cratered Mercury and cloud-veiled Venus, past the blue home world we love, racing by fiery Mars and the mighty giants, Jupiter and Saturn.
Ready to see the world in a whole new way? Step aboard the Express Shuttle Alpha and glide first class to the moon. Touchdown at Lunar Base Aurora, your gateway to adventure. Join guided excursions across historic craters, stroll through sunlit gardens, and witness vistas that...
Welcome aboard the Solar Observation Deck. Here on the rim of the Helios Station, we're closer to the sun than anywhere you've ever been. Feel the warmth through the shielded glass and watch titanic flares rise 10,000 kilometers into space. Our shuttles glide safely above the corona, giving you a view no telescope.
Welcome to Mercury, the fastest planet around the sun. Here, a single day lasts almost 2 Earth months, and temperatures swing from freezing to oven hot. At the rim of the Calorus Basin, watch sunrise paint a crater bigger than Texas. Our hover...
Welcome to Mercury, the sun-kissed world of extremes. Here, days blaze at 430 degrees Celsius, while nights plunge to minus 180. One slow spin of this little planet takes 59 Earth days, so a single Mercury day lasts 176 back home.
Welcome to Venus. You're riding high above the planet's golden cloud decks at the world-famous Cloud 9 Observatory. From here, 55 kilometers up, the view of the sun is unmatched, and during the rare Mercury transit, it's nothing short of breathtaking. Sip sparkling citrus in the lounge, stroll along the rim of the dome.
Welcome to Venus. See those domes? That's Tensegrity City, floating 55 kilometers above the surface.
It's huge, and it looks like it's glowing.
Sunlight through the cloud layers. Pretty, right? Down in the plaza, you'll find cafes, markets, even an
Welcome to Mars, where history, culture, and innovation meet beneath crimson skies.
Walk among legendary rovers, taste street-side artistry, and stand beneath towering arcologies.
Explore ancient canyons on hover skimmers or wander through glowing agrodomes that keep the planet blooming.
And when
Rising higher than any mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons is Mars's crown jewel. And now, yours to explore. Glide across crimson cliffs in panoramic gondolas, or scale the ancient rock on a guided climb 6 times taller than Everest. Welcome to this...
Ever dreamed of standing on the edge of the largest canyon in the solar system? Welcome to Valles Marineris, 4,000 kilometers of Mars at its most breathtaking. Glide by maglev along towering walls, hike sunsplash crevices, and catch sunsets that last forever.
2 moons, 1 unforgettable journey. First stop, Phobos, the thrill seeker. Skim above the red canyons of Mars, touch down at Adventure Base, and peer into the giant Stickney crater. Next, drift outward to tranquil Deimos. Gentle gravity, quiet vistas, and endless views of the...
Ready to fly? Welcome to the asteroid belt, where gravity takes a back seat and thrills take the wheel. I'm Rika, your guide to the galaxy's most exciting zipline. With rocket assist, you can soar between ancient rocks, carve through starlight, and witness views you'll never forget. Sunrise runs, night glides, even...
Welcome to Ceres, queen of the asteroid belt and the last water stop before Jupiter. Here, icy plains shimmer under a sea of stars, and friendly lights guide travelers into the outer solar system.
fresh from the pump, crisp and cold. Perfect.
This dwarf...
Ready to see Jupiter like never before? Welcome to Europa Air's Sleeper Service, your effortless link to the giant planet. Recline in your private stasis pod, drift into dreamless sleep, and wake up refreshed, without aging a single day. Explore ice-crusted Europa, gaze at the gas giant shimmering
on the asteroid belt, where storms span whole continents, lies the jewel of the outer solar system, Jupiter. On board the Aryabhata, you can drift above oceans of cloud, skimming the edges of the Great Red Spot and watching auroras dance over the horizon. Observation decks wrap the hull.
Is it your dream to witness the sky dance? Welcome to Jupiter's north, where auroras roar above an ocean of clouds. Step aboard a helium sail balloon and glide through magnetic curtains of color. Feel the electric hush, capture the moment, and let the planet's heartbeat surround.
Welcome to Io, Jupiter's most volcanic moon and home of the legendary Grand Prix.
Feel the heat of towering lava geysers while racers blaze past at impossible speeds.
With every twist of the canyon track and every burst of thruster light, it's pure adrenaline under...
Welcome to Europa, Jupiter's ocean moon and one of humanity's newest frontiers. From the dazzling skyports on the ice to the mysterious seas below, adventure is only a shuttle ride away. Glide through the crystal canyons, meet the gentle giants of the deep, and
come to Ganymede, the largest moon of Jupiter and one dazzling world of ice and light. I'm Mira, your guide to this frozen wonderland. From the vast rift valleys of Galileo Reggio to the glimmering halls of the Crystal Chasm, every step is a new view to treasure. When night falls...
First time on Callisto?
You're in for something special. I'm Soren, your guide to the jewel of Jupiter's moons. These craters hold ice gems older than the solar system itself.
And the plaza? It turns them into art!
Trails, markets, mining tours, there's a path here for everyone.
Beyond the Earth and Mars lies a world of golden clouds and endless rings. Welcome to Saturn. Board the Stellar Line's luxury cruise and drift among sparkling ice and silken skies. Explore Titan's amber dunes, Enceladus's hidden seas, and the...
Welcome to Saturn, the ringed giant. Here, gravity is just a touch heavier than Earth's, and days last a little over 10 hours. Its dazzling rings are made of countless icy particles, stretching more than 250,000 kilometers.
Beyond the rings of Saturn lies a world of liquid gold and endless sky. Titan. Glide across Kraken Mare, a sea of methane larger than the Mediterranean. Cruise through the throat of Kraken, where cliffs of frozen lava echo with the tide.
Welcome to Titan, Saturn's largest moon and the solar system's most romantic escape. Glide across 3,000 kilometers of glowing ethane lakes on our comfortable cruise shuttles. Stroll hand in hand along sunlit dunes as Saturn rises above the horizon.
Welcome to the southern hemisphere of Enceladus, Saturn's icy gem. Here, more than 100 geysers erupt in spectacular plumes, including the legendary Cold Faithful. Explore interactive exhibits at the visitor center, soak in naturally warm pools, and take an orbital flight for an unforgettable view.
Welcome aboard Starlight Cruise Lines, your luxurious passage to the edge of the solar system. From the comfort of our panoramic pods, take in dazzling views of mighty Uranus and its golden moons. Glide in Aquila-class elegance, savor world-class cuisine, and share unforgettable...
Welcome to Uranus, the sideways planet.
Its axis is tilted a wild 98 degrees, so the rings sweep across the sky like a cosmic hula hoop.
Explore fractured moons like Miranda, savor zero-G ramen in orbit, and take in views you won't believe.
Ready to get...
To trade calm seas for the wildest winds in the solar system? Welcome to Neptune, the Windwalker's paradise! Ride pedal sails through electric blue skies, chase the great storm eyes, and dock at floating ports brimming with neon life! Chart hidden lagoons with guides like me, and let the currents...
Welcome to Neptune! I'm your guide, and I'm thrilled to take you on a journey through the solar system's most exhilarating world. High above the clouds, the legendary Neptune 50,000 races pulse across glowing rings, drawing pilots from every colony. Below, Neptune's great dark spot swirls with power, a storm...
Welcome to Triton, Neptune's largest moon and home to some of the most dramatic sights in the outer solar system. Here, nitrogen geysers burst skyward, painting the twilight with pillars of ice and mist. Step onto the frozen plains, feel the low gravity underfoot, and watch as plumes soar 8 kilometers high against the blue giant of Neptune.
Just beyond Neptune's vivid clouds waits a world unlike any other. Proteus. Carved by ancient impacts, alive with violet mist and shimmering crystal fields, this moon is Neptune's hidden treasure. Trek beneath skyscraping arches, hike along icy...
Welcome to Pluto, a world of crystal cliffs and glimmering skies at the edge of the sun's reach. I'm Rika, your guide on this frozen frontier. Here, colossal ice mountains rise higher than anything on Earth, and every step crunches on ancient nitrogen snow.
Stay for sunset. One of them lasts over...
Ready for the coolest getaway in the solar system? On Pluto, gravity is light, but the thrills are huge. Whoa! Glide above crystal canyons on the aerial tramway. Explore towering ice cliffs or warm up under a sparkling dome with local comfort food.
Tonaman, we're coming up on the edge of the solar system. Next stop, the Kuiper Belt.
Look at all those asteroids! It's like a frozen river of stone!
And right there, see that blue giant? That's Eris, the most famous dwarf planet out here.
I can't believe we're actually visiting it! Rico, ready for landing?
Welcome to Proxima Centauri b, the nearest planet beyond our solar system. Just 4 light years away, this world offers sunsets like nowhere else. From the twin suns dipping behind crimson peaks to serene lakes of mirrored fire, every moment here begs to be...
Welcome to 51 Pegasi b, our very first exoplanet discovery and still one of the brightest gems in the galaxy. This hot Jupiter orbits scorchingly close to its star every 4 days, whipping up winds faster than any hurricane on Earth. But don't worry, our domes and skyrail keep you perfectly cozy. From glowing...
Welcome to PSO J318.5-22, the planet with no star, an endless night sky. I'm Rika Aono, your guide to its vibrant nightlife. From the glowing streets of Lumen Strand to auroras that ripple above the ice, every moment...
Welcome to TRAPPIST-1d, the first world in the habitable zone of this ultra-cool star. Beneath a ruby sun, canyons glow and skies shimmer with endless constellations. Here, friendly guides are ready to show you breath. Taking vistas, thriving colonies, and flavors. Just 12 parsecs from Earth lies a world of crimson skies and endless wonder. Welcome to TRAPPIST-1e. Soak in geothermal spa domes powered by the planet's warm core. Glide over frozen seas on an ice floe safari and see the landscape shimmer beneath twin moons.
Welcome to TRAPPIST-1f, only 12 parsecs from home and brimming with wonder. Here, twilight seas stretch forever under 3 shimmering moons, and gravity is just light enough to keep your steps springy. Oceans cover most of the planet, so bring your sense of adventure.
and a rebreather for the breezy air. Glide across glowing tides.
Welcome to TRAPPIST-1H, a world where frozen cliffs meet rivers of fire. I'm Maya Saito, your guide to this extraordinary planet. Here at Fire Falls Canyon, molten lava carves through ancient ice, creating landscapes. Welcome to Kepler 64b, where 4 suns paint the sky every evening. From the deck of a sky cruiser, the views are simply unforgettable. Hike verdant plateaus, wander bustling floating markets, or glide along rivers lined with glowing vines. Every turn. Welcome to Kepler 16b, the land of 2 suns. Stroll through canyons painted by twin light. Savor flavors at the lively Twin Shadow Market. Ride the sand surf trails or drift among the still waters of Aru Lagoon. When night falls, share the stars. You're
Just 37 light years away, a world of crimson wonder awaits you. Kepler 186f. Hike beneath scarlet canopies, taste spectra-sweet pastries in bustling markets, and ride the Crimson Line across endless fields. As night falls, stargaze beside the warm glow of an M.
Welcome to Betelgeuse 2. I'm Mireille, your certified sunset guide. Here, every horizon burns with a different color. Wander the crater promenade, taste crystal fruits, and meet travelers from every arm of the galaxy. From Skydeck Omega, you can watch all 7 suns set.
Welcome to HD 40307G, a super Earth where gravity pulls you into adventure. Glide above emerald valleys, hike between twin suns, and feel 3 times Earth's gravity in every step.
By night, the skies light up with 3 moons and a giant planet.
Looking for a holiday beyond imagination? Come to J1407b, home of the legendary Exorings. Glide past mountains of ice, stroll the vibrant streets of Port Marlin, and taste cuisine you can't find anywhere else. Whoa, they're huge. And when night falls, watch the auroras.
Welcome to DJ504b. I'm Ayame, your guide to this incredible pink planet. Here, the Crimson Maze Ridge twists with crystal veins that glow as you hike. Dip your hands into the Aurora Basin and watch the water paint the skies on its surface. And don't miss sunset from Pinnacle Ridge. Welcome to 55 Cancri, where the sky sparkles above an endless ocean of lava. I'm Yuna, your orbital host. Drift effortlessly on a strato balloon, feel the heat from our edgewalk platforms, or relax with a steaming cup at the Skyport Lounge. However you explore.
Welcome to 55 Cancri F, affectionately known as the Purple Broccoli Moon. Just a short hop from its ring giant, this alien world is brimming with vibrant life and dazzling sights. Stroll through glowing wetlands where the iconic broccoli trees shimmer at dusk. Meet gentle wild.
Welcome to 70 Virginis B, a new home away from home. Touchdown in shining New Alethea City, where rings of a giant world arc above glassy canals and sky bridges. Sample local flavors like crystal dunes catch the sunrise in a...
Welcome to the Neutron Highway, a cosmic expressway lit by the steady heartbeat of pulsars. Their beams guide every vessel carrying travelers between star systems in mere days. Stop at quantum hubs, gaze from crystal observation decks, and watch the universe drift by.
There it is! The vortex! Look at those colors!
It's like the sky's on fire! Are we really getting that close?
Yep. The overlook is inside the gravity safe zone. Totally tourist friendly.
Wow, I can feel it pulling already.
Wait till you see the photon ring. It's unreal.
This is...
Just beyond your own sky lies a spiral of countless suns, the Milky Way galaxy. From the bustling neighborhoods of the solar system to star, forming nurseries like the Orion Nebula, adventure never ends here.
Looking for a place where life feels effortless? Come home to Earth, your oasis in space. From crystal alpine rivers and ancient streets steeped in culture to sun-washed beaches and emerald rainforests, Earth's beauty is endless.
The